Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're showing you how to make banana bread. This banana bread is actually filled with tons of natural banana flavor and is very good for you. So for this recipe, you're going to need 4 to 5 ripe bananas, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup brown sugar, half a cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, crushed almonds, but these are optional, and flax seeds, which are also optional. So you're going to start off by mixing together the melted butter and the brown sugar using a hand mixer, or you can also use a beater if you don't have a hand mixer. Add the eggs to the mixture and mix thoroughly. Then you can go ahead and mash your bananas. You don't want to over mash your bananas because then you won't have a great consistency for the mixture you need to make your banana bread. It should look something like this. You can go ahead and add your mashed bananas to the mixture. After that, you're going to want to mix it thoroughly. Slowly sift the flour and the baking soda and add that to the mixture as well. Once again, mix it thoroughly. And then you can add your crushed almonds, but as mentioned before, this is optional. After that, your mixture should be ready, so you can go ahead and grease your loaf pan. And after greasing it, you can go ahead and pour all of your mixture into the loaf pan. Try to level out your mixture as evenly as possible to ensure that it remains even as it bakes. You can sprinkle on top some flax seeds, but as mentioned before, this is also optional. On 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you can bake your banana bread for 50 to 60 minutes. After about an hour, it should look like this. This banana bread is so moist and so delicious, and it serves for a perfect healthy snack. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated on our latest content. Have a great day, everyone.